I talk about the circulation, body circulation. This is most my favorite subject. In Japan, we believe healthy body have sound of circulatory system. If there are a blocking, like a tight muscle, we use pressure point to loosen up that tight muscle. So circulation bring up to the blood circulated and the flow of the, just like a river, water, flow to running water. Circulation bring to easy to breathe and comfort to the digestive system, and you feel comfort, and then you can more creativity and easy to work. And the circulatory system is very important because increase fluid, and the fluid carry out to the toxic item from your stress, like a lactic acid on the muscle conjuncted, that we call lactic acid. That's removed. And also, you feel like a more concentration and creativity, and you feel confidence. So there are many benefits. Circulation, you must have whole body system. Just like when you sleep, 7 to 8 hours sleep, one position or another position you naturally move, then circulation is slowly to head to toe, toe to head, gently circulation, and increase oxygen. Oxygen carry out to the toxic item, like every day, the tension, neck pain, light headache. So please more concentrate the circulation and use pressure point. That's what I like to teach.